need to take a step back and then realise what we really do, and then you can really appreciate what we've got here. It's pretty special. It's been a great project to be part of, and for it to be so new and that no one's ever seen before, it does make it pretty special.
If you've been in a Bentley before, it's a completely different experience with this car. It's this kind of attention to detail that elevates the Bentayga extended wheelbase to something truly special.
When everybody's done their job right, it looks perfect. We're building an experience for the customer that is completely their own. They make it their own. It reflects their personality as much as the car's personality.
Woodwork is my passion. Not many people get the chance to be able to do their passion as their job. So for me, doing it within Bentley is a real win-win.
This is the first time we've ever fitted the door handle actually into the wood. The interface between the wood and the handle needs to be right. It isn't until I can accept the part as it is that it's good enough to go into a Bentley.
We strive for perfection. When I finesse a part, I'm actually polishing it to get rid of all the imperfections and create something that's actually beautiful. The metal inlay is applied by hand. The craftsmanship behind just that one part, I think, is incredible.
I can look at that car and think, I've helped to launch that car.